So guys, in this video I'll be doing a screen replacement for this LG Stylo. Actually this phone, it's not lighting up or anything, so we are going to do a screen replacement. So we are not going to do a replacement with the frame, we are going to do it with the screen. So you will have to heat the back off. As you can see, we were able to get this one off very easily, and this shouldn't be too hard for us. So what we're going to do, we are just going to remove these screws, and we should be able to remove the back cover. So this is what we're going to do. This is the ribbon for the screen. But before we do so, we are just going to see if the screen will light up. We actually suffered water damage with this screen, so I actually felt that the phone vibrated, but we are not seeing anything on the screen. So what we are going to do, we are going to unplug the screen, and we are going to remove. So if you actually look, there was a black mark. You can see it there. There's a burn mark from the water damage. So hopefully when we test the new screen, you should be able to, it should be able to work perfectly as normal. I already had cleaned up the pins, but that is as clean I can get it, right? So let me just take the screen off. There's a protector on this screen. Let's just heat it off. This should help us to take the screen off. I mean, the screen is not good, so we don't even have to be careful. But we just have to be careful with the other parts of the phone, that you don't create any damage. But this is just a metal area, so there isn't any damage that we can do more than damaging the screen, which is already not good. So we successfully removed the screen, and you can naturally see the watermark under the screen all here. That's watermark. Yeah, you're not supposed to see this, right? So I'm gonna quickly clean this off. As I state, this is quite easy for us to do. So let me get the new screen. And if you are actually changing your screen using the frame, then you have a lot of work to do. If you're changing your screen and it have a frame, you will have to transfer all this. You'll have to take the battery out, and maybe you'll have to transfer the button as well, and also the pen, the stylo, well, the touch pen as well. The touch pen as well, you have to transfer everything, which can be a lot of work. So this is the easy This is the easiest way to change the screen. Our only problem is that we have to stick it, so you have to ensure that you stick your screen good. So guys, what we're going to do, we are just going to do a test just to ensure that, hey, everything is working before we actually stick the screen. So it's connected, and let's go ahead and test to see if the screen lights up. It should. So far we felt the phone vibrated, but we are not seeing anything. The battery could be completely drained, so what I may do is I might just leave it for a few minutes. I normally stick my screens with the B7000 or even with the T7000, so that should be able to help you guys out.